Hi, Belinda from Hello Cupping. I'm here today to show you how to use your facial cups, the technique on how to handle and hold them and to get them to glide and suction onto the skin. So this is your medium-sized cup. We call it the maxi, and it is the larger one of the two that you use for cupping. This is your mini, and this is what you use for the eye and lip area. This is what you're going to use for the face and the neck area. So I'm going to show you how to use it. I've already got my arm nicely oiled up and ready to work off. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to work with this. So you're going to take your cup, all right, and you're going to do a pincer grip. So you actually squash it and close it like that. And then you put it onto the skin and you release. And you'll see that the skin actually sucks up inside the cup. So here we go. All right. So we're going to put it on. There we go. Can you see the skin's lifting up? And you simply glide to the end. When it's finished, it either stays on or it can pop off if it has reached an area that might have a bit of bone. So this is how easy it is. Okay, I do make it look easy. I have been doing it for some time. It takes practice. Grip. Okay, can you see it? And glide. You see, I'm not actually pushing very hard. Not a lot of work into this. All right, and that is just the simple technique. The other technique is to grip and pump. You pump the area. You'll do this on different parts of the body. That I'll show you in a more advanced course for areas we wish to build and plump up. But that is basically it. So I hope that helps. Practice, grip and squeeze, okay? Glide, always use enough serum or oil, and pump. Okay, hope that helps you ladies. Cheers for now.